Nike continues to expand its Paisley Pack with a refined Air Force 1 Low dressed in an all-black colorway that highlights texture over contrast. This release focuses on material quality, featuring premium black suede across the upper with embossed paisley bandana patterns that flow from the toe box to the panels and even the swoosh. The detailed design is subtle and becomes more noticeable up close, giving the shoe a clean yet elevated look. Classic Air Force 1 elements remain, including the perforated toe box and sturdy low-cut silhouette that fans know and trust. The midsole and outsole are finished in matching black, keeping the overall profile sleek and versatile. Gold accents on the lace dubrae and tongue branding add a soft touch of luxury without overpowering the design. Compared to earlier colorways, this version feels more mature, wearable, and easy to style. The Nike Air Force 1 Low Paisley Black is expected to release on Nike.com in spring 2026.